Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime. Today we're going to read another of my favorite books called We're Going on a Bear Hunt. You ready to come with me for an adventure? We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, grass, long wavy grass. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, a river, a deep cold river. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Splash, 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 splash. We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, mad, thick, mad. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Squelch, 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 squelch. We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, a forest, a big dark forest. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, a snowstorm, a swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day, we're not scared. Oh, a cave, a narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Oh, what's that? One big wet nose, two big furry ears, two big googly eyes. It's a bear! Quick, 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 quick! Back through the cave, tip-top, 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 tip-top. Back through the snowstorm, woo! Back through the forest, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud, squelch, 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 squelch. Back through the river, splash, 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 splash. Back through the grass, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Get into our front door, open the door, up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Down the stairs. Shut the door. Or back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into the bed. Under the covers. We are now going on a bear hunt again. The end. Hope you enjoy Storytime one more time, and we hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.